time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today. It opened on a positive note. However, in the first half of the trading session, it gave up all its gains and was trading around down more than 70 points for the day. However, it took support around that 8800 mark, around that 40-hour moving average, and thereafter it gave a sharp pullback and ended the day on a positive note for the 7th consecutive day. The market path was negative, 703 advances to 780 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had ITC, Tata Motors, Grasim and Hindustan Unilever on the losing side, while HDFC, L&T, TCS, Jindal Steel, M&M were the gainers in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive for the 7th running day, indicating that there is buying visible at each and every dip that the market is seeing. The daily momentum indicator has given a positive crossover, which is a extremely bullish sign for the Nifty. Now, considering all these factors, until yesterday we were expecting a correction in the markets. However, today the Nifty has closed above the crucial 78.6% retracement level, and the momentum seen in some of the counters like metal counters and other counters tells us that there is more juice left in the Nifty on the upside. So considering all these factors, we have changed the short-term trend on Nifty to positive with a target of 9,125 on the upside. 9,125 is the upper end of this broadening pattern that we see that is happening since say October last year. So our sense is that the Nifty can continue its upward momentum up till the upper end of this channel. So considering that the short-term bias changes to positive with a target of 9,125. The reversal is placed at 86.81. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that since past 3 to 4 trading sessions, the Nifty has been trading in a range, and that range is getting wider. A sense is that it is forming an expanding triangle, and most probably that pattern might just have completed today, or one more leg on the downside might be pending. However, that even if that leg on the downside comes, then that should be used as a buying opportunity because a sense is that the Nifty shall now continue its upward momentum up till 9,125. So any dip that we get on the intraday on an intraday basis should be used as a buying opportunity. The hourly momentum indicator has also completed its pullback cycle to the equilibrium line. And so the correction so that gives us a sense that the correction might be over, and the positive momentum that we have been seeing should continue in the coming trading sessions as well. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was interestingly has closed in the negative. However, it has jumped or given a sharp pullback from the intraday lows. It also broke the previous swing low. And hence we saw we saw the Bank Nifty sell off quite sharply. However, it took support around that 40-day exponential moving average and gave a sharp pullback during the latter half of the trading session. Now it is very interesting at this point of time because both the Nifty and Bank Nifty are giving divergent pictures. It is facing resistance, and it has started forming lower tops, lower bottoms from a resistance. So in the coming trading sessions, if we see the Bank Nifty trading tick above 19,410, one should consider this as a wave 1 and wave 2, and now wave 3 on the upside should begin, or wave A and wave B have been completed, and wave C should probably be on the upside coming. In simple terms, I would explain that if 19,400 is taken out, then the probability of Bank Nifty rising becomes quite high, and it can trade higher up till 20,000 on the upside. So if 19,400 is crossed, 20,000 should be the next target for Bank Nifty. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 18,876 and 18,740. 19,400 will be the pivot for the bank nifty. So overall friends, our view on the nifty and bank nifty have changed to positive. For the bank nifty, 19,400 remains a crucial level. Above that, 20,000 is the next target. For the nifty, the picture is quite clear, and we expect the nifty to continue its positive momentum up till 9,125 on the upside. So that's all for the day. Thank you.